This is the WoodGun E100 in operation mode. 400-degree stack temp. I have the timer on right now just so that you can hear the unit running. I'm speaking, and I don't know if you guys can hear it humming along, but it's pretty quiet. You could have a perfectly calm conversation and not have any sound deafening noises. I think it's actually quieter than my oil burner. Here you go. Can you guys hear it? This is the back by the fan. Can you hear that? Very quiet. I'll open this up. You can see some gasification. There's the gasification. You can hear that rumble. So, to answer your question, I think they're very quiet and a great unit. They burn well. I've had no problems. Yeah, a couple little things here, maybe a back puff that comes out of that exhaust, big deal. Some bridging, but other guys get bridging. Best thing is this right here. That's the best part of the WoodGun. Can't say that about too many others, I don't think.